Pause that.
Yeah, don't want copyright strikes. Hey, yo. You may notice I haven't changed since my last video, even though these are a week apart. That's because I have the mother-in-law coming to town in a couple next week, and I'd like to get some videos out while she's here without having to film them while she's here. So, today we have the Honda OEM Beak for the Grom. This is one of their factory parts, kind of one of the very few factory accessories you can get for it in America. It's kind of funny, they show inspiration on the back of the package. I'm like, you can get none of these parts in the US, this sucks. Some of them are pretty cool, like there's a little skid plate and different number plates for the sides. I love this XR one. Anyways, throw that away. It comes with a beak, a couple push pins, and some instructions. You can do this with the headlight on the bike, but to make filming much easier, I'm going to take the 4 bolts off and just pull the headlight off real quick. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so the Beak, and my biggest gripe with this actually, and I get that they want it to work with all colors, but the black is different than the matte black metallic, which is fine. I'm just being picky. Anyway, so the Beak mount's using the 2 bottom bolts here. There's one. There's 2. And while I have the camera here, go Kraken. Alright, and then from there, I think it's just pop these back in. So this was a partnership between Honda and Sierra, whatever that body panel maker is that starts with a C that's not a service. It's a pretty flimsy plastic actually. Like I said, I'm a little disappointed. Not really, I think it'll look cool, especially with the long term where we're going with this Grom. With removing the front fender and sneak peek, we're putting monkey fork guards on there when we do that, although one is back ordered for who knows how long, which is really annoying, but that's alright. Okay, and this is where it now gets kind of scary. Honda wants you to drill into your headlight housing and install these push body rivets, whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to find my drill bits. Honda's instructions call for a 6mm drill bit, which I don't have, so we're going to use a 1/4 inch, which is slightly over 6mm, which will be fine. And I'm going to do it in 2 steps. So this is like a 3:30 seconds, or yeah, 3:30 seconds. Man, that's walking a lot more than I expected. And so, Honda also recommends flagging your drill bit so it doesn't punch all the way through like that one did. Clearly I ignored their instructions. Let's do this one real quick. There's not a ton back there to worry about. Okay. And let's go for the big guy. That was incredibly easy. And that big drill bit was much easier than the small one. Okay. And we push that through. Lock it in place. It's not a very flush mount, body mount, that's fine. Get all your plastic shavings out. And you have a beak. Lines up pretty nice. A little bit weird here, but not terrible. That's cool. That's the Beak. Pretty easy install. If you have drill bits and a drill, that took me all of 20 minutes including filming, so not bad. I honestly don't love it, which is kind of bizarre to say considering I spent a lot of money on it. It's like 65 bucks I think from Honda for a piece of plastic that doesn't match the colors on the rest of the bike, but that's fine. I do have plans to remove this fender. I have half of it already. These are the fork guards that go down there, that's out of frame, from a Monkey. I got the left one in, but the right side is nationally back ordered. So that's great, which means the rest of this front end is going to be on hold for a little while until that gets not back ordered. Super fun. So that's where we're ending today. Yeah. If you plan on getting rid of the front fender, Beak I think is going to look sick, especially with the high mount exhaust, whatever. If you plan on keeping the front fender, maybe skip the Beak. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube thing, and I'll see you in a few weeks. Bye, y'all. Oh, and thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Okay, now bye.